You see, guys, when it comes to this hair thing, there are some hairs and some brands that needs no single introduction. You see, this beauty that I'm wearing right now is actually one of them. Okay, guys, so this beautiful hair that I'm putting on is just like a hair that I got recently. Like, you can't even believe the things that I have to, like, I found that in this hair. This hair is one of the amazing and beautiful hair that I've ever worn. Anyway, my name is Ife Artistry, and let's dive into this video immediately. Anyway, okay, guys, so I got this beautiful hair like from Wiggins. Finally, Wiggins hair. So I'm going to actually tell you guys a little story anyway, but let's so when I opened this box, I saw this amazing hair, and oh my god, let's see other things. I have the wig cap. They gave me the wig cap, and they gave me the lashes. They gave me the hairband that has Wiggins hair on it, and this brush comb and a quality hair bag. That's all that I've got. Okay, so let's go back to the hair. This hair is a 24-inch HD lace, an amazing wig, you know. So I opened the hair, and it's actually a coily wavy hair. Is an amazing, lovely, so oh my god, is an amazing unit. So it's coiled already, they coiled it, and this is it. A very sleek and oh my god, I'm lost of words when I want to talk about this. I'm lost of words, but this hair is just an amazing hair. I love the net. I love the like lace. This hair came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. They didn't cut it though, so which I'm going to like cut. It has an adjustable band. I'm just telling you guys the features that this hair came with. It has this adjustable band at the back, which will help you to secure the hair at the end of the day. Okay, guys, so when I was done like looking at every features, I just go ahead to cut the lace. You guys already know how I do it over here. So I cut the lace before I put it on myself. So I normally use the little like scissors to cut the lace, but I didn't see it, and I looked for it. When I found it, I cut this lace, and the reason why I'm laughing is because I cut the lace off camera. I didn't know that my phone was not recording, but that's by the way. So when I was done, I have to use my foundation to tint the lace. I just to tint the color so that it matches my skin tone and everything. Okay, guys, so I'm just, you know, I'm using my foundation on the lace to just make it match, and everything is going to be fine. So afterwards, I use the remnants in my brush to, you know, like rub it on my net, so that I don't have too much of white net showing at the end of the day when I'm done wearing the hair. So after that, I just put the hair on, and to just like adjust it on myself. So I put this lace, I put the hair on, and I'm trying to adjust the lace to put everything in order and make sure that everything is okay and seated properly. Okay, guys, so this is me just like adjusting and making sure that everything is seated so well. So guys, at this point, like, this is actually frontal and not closure, and this hair is sitting like this. And the fact that this hair, I was the one that cut it myself, remember, you know, it amazed me when I cut hair myself and then it melts into my skin without even me laying it down. I don't understand. Like, I can literally wear this hair and go out without installing it, and this is frontal. You know, when brands do the like cutting themselves, they know how to do their thing, but me cutting it and this hair is like slicked down like this is amazing. Okay, guys, so let me just tell you guys a little bit of story that I wanted to talk about. Like, I know this brand, the brand didn't know. So actually a while back, my best friend in the US, she actually sent me hairs from this brand. Like, she have bought, because this is the brand that she normally shop from, and back then she had told me that one day that Wiggins are going to send you their hair. So we just talked about it because she so much love Wiggins hair so much. Yeah, so when the brand even sent me like the products, I just messaged my friend and I'm like, just guess the brand that gave me PR package. She said Wiggins. She didn't even think. She just called their name. I'm like, okay, yeah, you're right. Okay, guys, so when I actually reviewed this hair and I posted the picture on my WhatsApp, she just saw the picture. She's like, yeah, this hair is very beautiful. And I said, just guess the brand. She says Wiggins. And I'm like, so how did you know? She said, yeah, I can see how full it is. I can see how nice. I can see the lace. I know the brand. I know the brand I'm buying from, so I know what I'm saying. I mean, she was not wrong. Okay, guys, so moving on. That's my story. Moving on. I just got, like, after adjusting and like placing everything where it should be. I got my got to be spray, and I begin to like hold it down with the front. But I didn't want to like lay it so bad, like so much, like I didn't want to lay the hair so much. You guys know me, like I don't wear hair to go out that much. So, and equally I don't want to anything to happen to the lace, so I don't want to lay it. Since I'm not wearing it out, I'm going to wear it on a special day. Okay guys, so moving on, I'm just like using my got to be, just like tiny bit of it to just hold down the front lace, and I bet you like it's going to melt it into my skin. When I was even bringing it out, like it was, oh my god, like I know you guys won't understand until maybe one day you hold or touch this hair. That's when you get what I'm saying. Okay guys, so after making all the adjustment and placing the glue, I just go ahead to tie the hair down with the band that they gave me. And just for a while, I just wanted it to just hold the lace down for a while so that I can do other things I want to do. So after some minutes, I just brought it out immediately. I was going to still tie it back anyway. So, and I look at the lace, I'm trying to see how far, and of course the lace melted into my skin. You can see it needs no introduction. Okay guys, so now back to me. I want to make the baby hair the edges. So I just combed out some parts. You guys already know like edges is not my thing. I'm just learning how to make edges. I'm not perfect. So I just brought out the part I'm going to use to make the edges, and then I use my little coiler. You see this coiler, if you want to learn, if you're learning how to make edges, I'm just telling you, just go and buy this tiny coiler. You will thank me for it. So I called these parts out, and then I got my Gorilla gel, and I'm using it to coil. Like once you just coil it and you want to start like creating the edges, the hair will just bend, like it will just obey you. If you don't want stress, just go and buy it. I'm not perfect though, like I'm still learning, but like things are, you know, like it's not being as difficult as it used to be when I don't have the coiler. So this is me just like turning everything around, and you know, making like everything will just fall into place for you when you coil the edges, and you know, it will just sit for you and everything will be fine. So when I was done with that part, I have to just like cut out the second part as well. Guys, you see, making these edges actually took me more than 30 minutes. You see how I just edited the video and it's very small. When you make edges, it takes longer time actually. I don't know for others, but for me, you see, people edit videos that you think is easy. It's not actually. So making edges is quite a thing. I just want to leave it out there because I used to think it's just the way they make the videos. And you think is nothing. It's actually something. Okay guys, so this is me equally doing the second part, and just, you know, using my Gorilla spray, my Gorilla gel to coil it down and, you know, do my thing. You see how I'm doing it and it's obeying me? No, there was actually some disobedience before I begin to obey, because like that is it. People show you the final product and the final result without you knowing that there was a lot of discrepancies before they get to the final results. Okay guys, so moving on, this is me after everything I am done. I want to see how it's going to look, because I'm not going ahead to do the edges in the down part. No, in the ear part I'm not. This is just the edges I'm doing, and that is going to be, because of course the one down is going to be covered anyway, so why bother? So moving on, I just got my my wax stick, and I'm trying to, you know, wax the hair so that I'll slick it down the more, even though the hair doesn't even need me slicking it. I can even see the like the pattern doesn't even look like anything, like it's just so flat. It doesn't even need me to flatten it, because what are you trying to flatten? The hair is already flat by itself. Like, you know, there are some brands that they know how to create. They know how to create hair. This brand is one of them. They know what they create. Like, this is just lovely and amazing. Okay guys, so moving on, and I'm just, you know, going ahead to coil the hair and use my hot comb to, you know, like slick it down the more. After that, I use my the band to tie it down again. This is the point I'm supposed to now tie it and leave it for a while. So this is it. I'm done actually with everything I'm supposed to do on this hair. The next thing is supposed to be me just combing it, but I want to do my makeup. Yeah, so I had to do my makeup. I just packed it, and this is after my makeup. The makeup is done, and I came back and lost the hair. See, it has stayed on me for a long time, and I'm done with my makeup. And this is me just like trying to see how everything is. So I got my comb to comb it. I'm even using a small comb. I'm not using a big comb, which I'm supposed to use a big comb, but because I'm sitting, I don't want to move I don't want to move my position. Like if I move my position, if I stand up to go and get the comb, if I come back, the type of adjustment I'm going to do with my camera, I don't want to try that. So I had to use the small comb it. So using this small comb, even what I'm not supposed to use, the hair was just moving so smoothly and freely. Like this hair is so full. This hair is amazing. I think I'm going to let her go and change the color of this hair because it's going to be my go-to. Okay guys, so can you see how amazing this hair looks? Tell me in the comment section what you think about this hair. Like just tell me in the comment section what you think about this hair, and you might win a gift from me at the end of the day. Anyway, honestly, tell me one good thing you think about this hair. People have been telling me in my WhatsApp comments, because I posted the picture as my profile picture. That's how much I love the hair. I love this look, everything about it. So people have been telling me that it's so fine. If this your profile picture is so fine and everything. So tell me what you love about it. For me, I love the hair. Like the hair just elevates everything about this look. Everything about the look is just looking so beautiful. So tell me what you love about it, and you might win something from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.